So dividing fractions is a lot like multiplying fractions, but just with some fun flipping action in there. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So if we take the fraction 1 over 3 and we divide it by 1/2, what we have to do, since this is essentially saying that 1/3 is being divided by 1 over 2, this is what we have to do. We have to make this this denominator rather, become a numerator, and this numerator become a denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip these two terms and flip them up so they're equal here. So we're going to have 1, and now we're going to be multiplying once we make this flipping motion. So we're going to have 2 over 1. You see how this denominator became this numerator? Okay, and then we can just multiply right across. So we're just left with 2 over 3. Okay, so another one that we can do here is 2 over 5 divided by 3 over 10. Now a fast way to do this is just to flip this second term. And it has to be this second term because that second term is what's dividing the first term. Okay, so this is going to look 2 over 5 multiplied, because once we flip we have to multiply, 10 over 3. And now this can be written as 20 over 15, and we can put that in simplest form, which is just 4 over 3. Alright, okay, now another one we can do is 2 over 3 divided by 7 over 5. Now we're just going to flip this term here, this second term. It's going to equal 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 7. So what we're going to get here is 10 all over 21. Okay? Now, say we have something like this. 2 1/3 being divided by 3 2/3. So what we have to do here is change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So what this is going to look like, we're going to have 3 times 2 plus 1. So we're going to have 7 over 3. And we're going to divide this by 3 times 3 plus 2, which would be 11 over 3. Now we have to flip this second term because this second term is being divided by this first term here. So it's going to be equal to 7 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 11. Now since our fraction looks like this, I'm just going to rewrite it here. We have a 3 here and a 3 here. What we can do is cross those out so that they both equal 1. And we can multiply right across. This is equal to 7 over 11. So that's how to divide fractions. What you're really doing is just flipping and multiplying.